This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ice cream the easy way at home. You only need 3 simple ingredients and no special equipment. First, gather 2 cups of cold heavy cream, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are chilled. This helps the cream whip up beautifully. This simple method will have you enjoying homemade ice cream in no time. Now, let's get started with the whipping. Take your 2 cups of cold, heavy cream and pour them into your pre-chilled mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, whip the cream on high speed. You'll want to continue whipping until stiff peaks form, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. It's important not to overwhip the cream, as it can quickly turn grainy, and we want that smooth, creamy texture. With your beautifully whipped cream ready, it's time to add the sweetness. Gently take your 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and carefully fold it into the whipped cream. This step is crucial for the note churn magic. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to give it that classic, comforting ice cream flavor. Remember to fold, not stir, to keep all that wonderful air in the mixture, ensuring a light and fluffy result. Almost there. Once everything is perfectly combined, carefully transfer your ice cream mixture into a freezer-safe container. Make sure it has a lid to prevent ice crystals from forming. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. Place the container in your freezer for at least 6 hours, or even better, let it freeze overnight. Once firm, scoop out generous portions and savor your incredibly easy, homemade note churn ice cream. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.